Nora was diagnosed with spinal muscular atrophy type 1 when I was pregnant with her in May of 2018. She was born by emergency C-section on August 28th, 2018, due to her heart defect. We had no idea that she even had a heart defect, so they did an emergency C-section.
Hi, Nora. Hi. Hi. You getting hungry? Hmm? I know, we're getting there, honey. We're getting there. We'll get you fed very soon. There, good job. Good job.
When Nora was first born, no one would ever have known that she had spinal muscular atrophy because she moved like a normal baby, she ate like a normal baby, she had the normal cry of a baby, and we pursued treatment at 10 days old. Spinraza, or nusinersen, is currently the only FDA-approved treatment for spinal muscular atrophy, and the earlier that you start the treatment, the better. So we thought that Nora would do great because she was treated so young. Unfortunately, her disease appeared to progress very quickly.
So it is September 25th, and Miss Nora will be a month old in just 3 days. And you can see on her face that she has some things, and that's for the BiPAP. And BiPAP is non-invasive ventilation to help her breathe. You can see when she's breathing, if I can get her moved over, she's having a lot of trouble with that because you can see it in her tummy. That's moving, and it shouldn't be moving as much as it is. And then also in her neck muscles. And then you can also kind of see how her hands are a little paler than the rest of her. And she's much, much weaker than she was at birth. When she was born, she could move pretty easily. So we're here at the hospital in the pediatric ICU. And we're gonna get her some help. So she's had her second dose of Spinraza. We want to give it a chance to work. But this is what the disease does. It really sucks, but she's worth it. And we're gonna do everything we can to fight for her.
So in the hospital, she was getting BiPAP, which is non-invasive ventilatory support, and we did that in a nasogastric temporary feeding tube until she could get to 3 kilograms so that she could finally have a surgery for tracheostomy and a ventilator and her G-tube. On October 8th, 2018, she had a major surgery for a tracheostomy and a G-tube. It's October 9th. Today marks 2 weeks in the hospital, and Nora is 6 weeks old. You can
Hear that noise? It's her mouth. She's sucking on her tongue. So, she had surgery yesterday. This is the vent, or this is actually the trach. Just want to make sure that that doesn't come loose. And then that's the ventilator. Right now they have it so it's breathing for her, but she's breathing over it, which is good. And then this is a suction catheter for the tracheostomy, so it needs to be suctioned. And then this is the G-tube. And then the extension tubing on it. There's a little, we're putting a diaper in it so that it can get vented. And then over here is her PICC line. And that's for meds. So you can see over here, she's getting a lot of IVs. And then there's a couple of lumens. So these are the lumens for the PICC line. So there's the fluids and the fentanyl. That's what's keeping her sedated, is the pain medicine. So, trach change Friday. So today's Tuesday, so we got a couple more days yet.